You are cordially invited to experience excellence. Prestige Motors, the #1 volume Mercedes-Benz dealer in the Northeast.
Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission, premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Know the history on this ride and greatly reduce your buying risk with the included Carfax Vehicle History Report. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: leather seats, Bluetooth wireless, a DVD system, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, air conditioning. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Leave your worries at the door, because we're taking Mercedes-Benz to a whole new level. Prestige Motors, Paramus, New Jersey, at your service.